Just add salt to the Coca-Cola and you'll thank me. Is incredible. And look, it's really amazing. I added about a tablespoon of salt. Close the bottle and shake it very well. Pay close attention. This tip is really great. Now, let's open the bottle. And let's transfer this Coca-Cola to a container. Here it is, approximately 200 milliliters. We will use this bottle as a measure. Do not throw it away. Now let's add a tablespoon of salt. And let's move forward a little. You need to see this tip. I'm sure you haven't seen it on the internet yet. And you will be surprised by the result. Next, we will need a detergent of your choice. Let's add approximately 200 milliliters to the Coca-Cola bottle here. And let's put it together with Coca-Cola. After discovering this tip, I always do it here at home. I no longer buy these expensive products in the markets. Then, we will also add water in the same amount as the bottle. And let's put it here inside the container with the Coca-Cola and the detergent. Then just mix everything very well. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the results of this little mix. Now we are going to need an empty detergent bottle. But if you have another type of bottle, you can also use it without problems, and with the help of a funnel we will transfer this entire mixture. And although it may seem like a lie, it is already ready. And look at the situation in that frying pan. It is quite thick with impregnated grease. Just rub it very well and you will notice that all the dirt comes off, as if by magic. This product is simply wonderful. For those who didn't understand, what we just did here is a wonderful aluminum shine. It's that same thing. Coca-Cola contains a substance that, when it comes into contact with salt and detergent, causes the dirt to come out of your pan, and renews all the shine that has disappeared from that pan. You can use it on all types of pans, especially aluminum ones. In addition to cleaning, it will give an incredible shine. You will clean your pans very easily, in addition to leaving them sparkling. And look at this personal result. Incredible, right? This product will make your day much easier. Especially if you love getting your pans sparkling clean, do it at home and then come here and tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Whoever has made it this far, please leave a score from 0 to 10 for this advice. Like I said, for those who like a pan that shines like new, just make this mix, which is not only easy but also super economical. Much better than those bought on the market. You will never see Coca-Cola any other way again. Our advice today is this. I really hope you liked it. Don't forget to share this tip with your family, like this video to receive more videos like this. I will stay here. Stay with God. Until the next video. Hug.